Thank you very much for tuning in.
Gets a contact on the 3. Will he go behind the 8?
Hoping to make this red 3.
Hindi rin madali itong tira ni Raymart Kamomot na to, ha?
Right.
Oh,
Oh,
almost
pretty close,
getting
yeah.
puro na sana yung contact na yun, ha?
Pero hindi siya magrereklamo dito sa resulta. Coming from the short rail, loads of left-hand spin. Saan lang pupunta? Oh, check this out. Come
Talaga
on.
naman, oh.
Ay. Kaya didiskarte yan dapat ni Raymart. Not bad as well. Look at this. Pwede na yan.
Using that 9 ball to stop the 3.
Yun tinuro niya. He wanted that cue ball behind.
Yes.
That 4. Mailagay yung pato sa likod ng 9 pati 6. Yan. Going that route.
Pero grabe yung load ng ano niyan, ha?
Spin. That's
Todo
right.
talaga, oh. He
Good
wants
result.
to go behind the 5. Good enough.
Good enough. Concern niya dito sa nangyayari.
Well, alam kasi ni Coach Dennis na pag ganitong dikitan yung laban,
Loads of left-hand spin. Pwedeng una banda. Pwede ring rekta kung kakayanin. Una banda.
Great
Gets it
shot.
in.
naalala ko yung gapang kanina ni Run DMC, ano?
Gapang kanina.
Oo,
Yung tira sa 4.
ang layo
diba?
nun. Could he go rail first here to pocket the 4? No, completely missing the purple 4.
Giving up ball in hand now for Arpilieda.
Ganda pa nga yung pwesto dito ng 6, 7, and 9.
Mm-hmm. So, looking swell. Okay.
Diba?
Okay.
Pwede na talaga.
Mhm.
Naku.
Ay, nako!
Okay.
Buti na lang talaga. Talagang kailangan niyang mapasok to. Look at this!
Great shot.
All right. Somehow, a containment safety. Containment safety muna. Tinawid
Pati
dagat. Beautiful shot.
Kamomot gets contact. Wants the cue ball to move more here.
To tie things up. Gulat pa talaga.
Kami yung nagugulat sa inyo eh.
Kaya nga eh. Kailangan bumawi ng MSW. Ayun! Rico. Hindi naman easy. Makeable pot for both players. Talagang nadala lang sa sharking.